I'm not a content creator, but I tried only for all of you. But it's not sufficient because 99% students are struggling. Their days and their social media may be right, but their nights are the darkest. But I promise you, the down is coming. It is the biggest project of my life to change the whole education system. There are countless people who are just blaming their countries and want new education system. But no one have the proper solution. They just have suggestions, they just have time to beat about the bush, and they have a time to defame their countries. But this project have the capability to change it from the root. Throughout this challenge, we will be spreading awareness, providing thousands of dollars of scholarship, and providing the best roadmap possible for all 1 million students. I'm researching on education system from last 5 years. Not only India, but the international education system. It's not possible to reveal everything today, so I can just give you the rough idea about my project. Let's take an example. There are two students, A and B. Both are in 9th grade. So, first student started preparing for JEE NEET because of family pressure, and maybe there are other reasons. Okay, he started preparing for JEE NEET and just started preparing for 3 subjects, PCM or PCB. Okay, another student who have plans to escape this rat race and have some other plans like abroad study and getting into top universities, Ivy Leagues. Okay, getting into top Ivy Leagues, you have to show your passion, you have to work on your overall holistic profile, show your passion and show extracurriculars with academics. That student with only 3 subjects, day and night just studying 3 subjects, after 2 or 3 years, you can see that student have more knowledge, more dedication towards their dreams. His profile is more strong. If you have to choose any one of them, then there are mostly chances you will choose that student. So if possible, then we can merge those systems. If we are able to reduce the level of difficulty level of entrance examination and also add some other factors, not only entrance examination, but you also have to show your academics with your extracurriculars, other activities. So I have a proper plan and everything, so I don't want to reveal everything. It's just a rough idea. Okay, there are tons of things, so just assume after 5 years if we are implementing my ideas, and these ideas are easy to implement. I'm not just talking about changing education system, books, syllabus. No, I am talking about changing mindset. If we are able to convert this rat race into the playful playground, that's my plan. So if you want to join this Boosted Asia, then just comment or fill the form in the description. Together we will cross the sky limits. So see you in the team meetings. I want all of you to be a part of this revolution and a real impact. So let's create impact, not just extracurricular. In this program, you will get lots of extracurriculars, also certificate, opportunities, or also paid prize because I have tons of prizes for top 20 students.